We should be back live right now, trading the DAX markets. Welcome back. So, as always, we just follow that direction in the market. You can see that Nasdaq never got to break above the previous highs of 750. It keep getting rejected. We have lows of 18,800 this week. We saw progress above 300. We saw progress above 500 for a short moment, and then we just got rejected. So we could come back. We could sell back to 300. We could also push now. I kind of like see these patterns here coming in. I just have to take this call very quick. Mads? Hallo så? Ja, kan du godt call? Super. Super. Hvad tid vil du sige, så cirka? Super. Vi ses, du ringer bare på. Hej, hey. I'm back again. It was just a guy that have to fix something in my apartment. Let's focus here. Let's make some money, guys. It's a little tricky because they could really dump the market, but they could also push the market. So we have to be aware of that. We have news today. Employment changed, and we have crude oil inventories, so nothing huge. What about factory here? So we have something coming in, yeah. Non-farm employment change, okay. Let's see. It's gonna come in later. So we have to be very careful here because yeah, it looks like it could sell back, but it's not gonna do that quick. It could also push up to 500 again. So we just have to be a little careful here. I know it looks like a short, but they could push it and then they could take everything back again. So just be very careful going in for a short here or a long. Let's just wait for clear confirmation. Let's see if we're gonna break below here, and if we do, then let's see how much we're gonna break below, and if we're gonna kind of like stop, we can take a long back to the previous high. So I consider going for a long if we break above 37 might. But if we start selling off, then I will consider going for a short. So big push here on the short term. We could also get a big push on DAX. Be careful. The overall direction is currently down, and it could start below, and it could dump to 91, and we don't want to go long here and hope for something to happen, and then we just see a push that back here, and then we have to move stop losses, and then it's going to take us out later on. So for me, it's more weaker sign. There's no really progress, so I would consider going for a short here. But let's see. If we're holding support here, it's a long for me. So we want to buy at lows, we want to close at highs, we want to sell short at highs, and then we want to take it all the way back again. If we really break below here and we start selling off, I might consider going for a short, but it's very risky. I have some issues and troubles finding the direction right now because, yeah, it's obviously that it could push back, but I don't think so. I think it's not going to push as much as what we think. I think it's going to rally first. But it's very hard to say where the market is going to do. So Trump will speak at 22. President Trump, okay. So that's what the market is waiting for. They could dump the market. It could come all the way back today. I might consider going for a quick short. Back to lows. I'm going to open a light short here. It's currently trading at 96. I'm currently short. Let's see here. I'll exit this one here for 2,800. It was a quick little short here. You can also exit short, or you can hold short. You don't have to follow exactly what I do. So because NASDAQ did not break below, we have above support. That's why I closed out my short for a decent amount of profits here. But it was a good little one. Quick down. Again, it could push back. Be careful going short here. They could push everything back. I'm telling you, okay? Just be aware, just be careful, know what you're doing, okay? It could push the market now. It looks like that they want to push it back. So consider going for a quick long here. It's very risky. I took a quick long here at 12. Let's see if they're going to push the market. They could also dump the market. Let's see. Will this be a fake out, or will they really push the market? It doesn't look like that they're really going to push it. It looks like they're going to sell it off. Wow. Did not expect that they would sell off the market that quick. Big push down. I'm in with a 50% position. I did not expect that they would dump it that quick. Let's see if it's going to retrace. I just see a quick little push to maybe 450 or 475 before they're really going to sell off the market, but it could also come now. The selling pressure could come in right now. So I might consider going for a short here. I'll go in for a short here. It's currently trading at 69. Let's see here. I'm not super focused right now, and I just lost 22k for no reason. So this is very risky. They could push the market back, and I don't know why I'm going in without a stop loss here. Let's see if the push is going to come now. I need to see a push now. We cannot be waiting for it. Let's see if it's really going to sell off or not. Let's see. Once I see selling pressure, I'll move my stop loss down. Looks like it might kind of come back now. Let's see. So I'm currently short. This is actually my first losing trade in, I don't even know, long time, over a month, but I can gain it back here. But let's see, they might push the market. They don't want to make it too easy here. Consider moving my stop loss down here. I move my stop loss to break even. Let's see if this is really going to sell off or if it's going to be a fake out. It could be a fake out. So NASDAQ is not really doing anything, and DAX is not really doing anything. Let's see if we're going to come back to 100 today. I could consider holding a short all the way down. I'm moving my stop. Okay, I got stopped out. That's so fucking pissed. That's crazy. I'm gonna re-enter my short here. It's currently trading at 70. I also have an appointment here coming in. That's why I'm also a little bit not rushed, but I would like to hold a short for this one here all the way back to at least 250. So I'm setting up a setup here for you guys so you could follow exactly what I'm doing. It's going to be a more swing trade, not my focus normally. But I currently have a worst case stop loss at 450. I have a take profit at 250. I will let this run. I know it's very risky and I know the market could push, but I'm aware of the risk and I'm holding it currently. So I'm 500 short, it's a 50% position. I went in for a long and I got stopped out. So I went in for a long right there. I got stopped out around here, around 80. And then I just did a short because we got a break below. It's a school run strategy, it's an opening range breakout. So because we went below the previous support and we did not win above, and we over, what can I say? We are over 15 minutes. That's why I went for a short. So I'm following my own principles and my own rules. This is my open position up at 11K. Overall, I'm not super happy with today. I could have made much more, but I wasn't focused. Sometimes it's like that, and I just have to accept it and move on. Right now, I'm going after a decent amount here. I'm going after making maybe 60K. I think 250 is realistic. So I'll hold this short for now. I'm not doing anything. As I told you, I have an appointment, so I have to head out in a couple of minutes. Again, they could push the market back, but again, let's see. I'm afraid that this could act as a support, 350, and they could try to push it back to 450, but I only think they will push it back to 425, or maybe worst case, 430. So that's why I have my stop loss up here. This stop loss for my 50% position after I lost the first trade is too big, so I'll have to move it down. But I want to see this is what the market is really gonna do, because right now it's showing some progress on the upside. It's showing a green candle, and we don't want to break below 350. But because we have one candle that went below 345, then I'm still very negative. But again, they could push the market back. I have to accept it. I have to work with the risk. Yes, they could push the market, and that's how it is. Still think it's extremely overbought on a short time frame. I still think it should come back to 995, so below 22,000. So I'm actually going to move my target back to 150 or 146. I'll move it to 151. Then I'll have to head out. But I'm still holding this short, guys. I'm not doing anything. I'm still here with you. This is currently my setup, okay? I win with 50%. I'm risking under 1%. I lost under 1% in the first trade because it hit my stop loss. It was very unnecessarily. This could be another green candle. It could push up, and it's just a very unlucky morning for me because I shouldn't have lost this morning. I should just have made 50K. So let's see if this is gonna work out. But I'm not doing more for now. I might consider moving my stop loss down, and I think I will do that. So if we can break below here within a minute, I'll move it down. I'll do that right now. Let's see here. I moved my stop loss to 418, and that stop loss is still too high. It should sell off, and then we shouldn't have this stop loss. We should have a stop loss at break even, but we keep showing higher highs, higher lows. This is a very bad setup for a short right now. I would be going long here on a short time frame back to highs of 500. So to me, it looks very bad. Yeah, I'm still gonna hold it. I will be back at the screen. I will trade live later today, but I have to head out now. So I'm gonna hold this for now. It could push up, and then I have to gain everything back I just lost for my New York session. That's 100% possible. but strong push again. Still think it's an overreaction. I'll move my stop loss up here again. Now I'll hold this one here. So this is my setup, 150 target, stop loss above 450. I'm risking quite a lot, but I have to head out. I don't want to get stopped out there or stopped out at 430 when I potentially could make money on this one here. So closing it out now, I'm still short, I'm still holding it. My target remains here. On this trade here, I'm gonna make a couple of percentage if it's gonna work out. So yeah, I have to head out. See you.